Hey crypto friends, this is going to be video number 16 out of my Crypto Trading for Beginners series, and today I will be talking about the best types of coins to trade and why they're the best types of coin to trade as well. But before we actually go ahead and dive into the video, for those of you who are looking for a solid crypto futures exchange to trade crypto futures on and would like to try the same exchange that I use on a daily basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blofin exchange here. You can find a link to it in the description below this video. All right, guys, so quite frankly, one of the very first questions that a lot of crypto trading beginners tend to ask is, which coins should I trade? And with literally millions of different cryptocurrencies out there today, it's honestly extremely tempting to chase the next hidden gem. That promises huge returns, obviously. But if you're just starting out in crypto trading, the best types of coins to trade are not the small unknown coins, all right? They're actually the big reputable coins that everybody knows. And here's why, all right? So, number one, the larger coins, they always have a large amount of daily trading volume, which means they're much easier to chart out and find setups to trade on. And higher volume means that you can enter and exit your trades very, very quickly without worrying about slippage, which is the price moving before your order is filled. All right. And with those large coins, or with these large coins, you'll simply have a large number of buyers and sellers as well in the order books so that you're not stuck holding on to a bag that you cannot sell. All right. Now, number two, the larger coins always have a lower risk of manipulation simply because larger coins are harder for one single person or a group of people to manipulate because so much money is flowing in and out of these larger coins on a daily basis. And smaller, low volume, and low cap coins can be pumped and dumped by a handful of big players very, very easily, leaving beginner traders completely trapped in their trades. All right. Now, Number three, the larger coins have much more predictable price action, and they usually move more smoothly on the charts as well. And they also love to respect actual support and resistance levels and chart patterns as well. Whereas smaller coins, they often have erratic price movements with no clear structure on the charts whatsoever, which makes them much, much, much harder to trade. And in my personal experience throughout the years of being a crypto trader, the best types of coins to trade are typically going to be the larger coins within the top 200 here on CoinMarketCap. All right. So we're on CoinMarketCap here, and you can clearly see that all of these coins have a very large amount of volume on a regular basis. And these are the types of coins that you want to be trading on a regular basis because, again, they're much, much easier to trade, all right? You do not want to be trading coins like this. Here, let me go to like page 6 or something like that. You do not want to be trading coins like this that have like $3.8 million in volume, or, come down here a little bit further, 210,000 in 24-hour volume, 350,000 in 24-hour volume. These types of coins are going to be much, much, much harder to trade. All right, simply because there is not enough liquidity in the order books to simply fill orders, and they're much easier. They're much harder to trade for that reason. Overall here though, guys, as I was saying earlier, this is going to be a little bit of a shorter video, but you want to be avoiding these small cap coins when it comes to trading, at least until you gain more experience, because their low volume and extreme volatility makes them better suited for more advanced traders who technically know what they're doing. All right. Now, in the last part of this 17 video beginner series, tomorrow I will be talking about the next steps to take after you've gone through all of these videos and learned all about the basics of being a beginner crypto trader. But before I go ahead and wrap up this video, for those of you guys who are serious about learning, and if you have not joined already, then I'd like to invite you guys to my premium crypto trading education Discord group, where you can do things like ask me questions, you can get one-on-one help whenever you need it, you can see how I trade in real time, you can see the setups I'm trading, and you can get more in-depth knowledge on trading in general. And you can find a link to join that server in the description below this video. Outside of that though, guys, if you feel like you guys enjoyed this video and you got some decent value out of it, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button below this video to help me out. And with that said, for those of you guys who stuck around and watched this entire video throughout the whole thing, thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I hope to see you all in my future videos.